Hi. E. Hit. I just wanna hit you. E. Spin. My head is spinning. E. Minute. Wait a minute. E. Business. I want to be a businessman. E. Kid. I love playing with kids. E. Warranty. We warranty so many packs. E. Leave. Please don't leave me. E. Tea. Do you prefer tea or coffee? E. Seed. Let's go plant some seed. Oh, good job. Oh, foot. I have a big foot. Oh, book. I love reading book. Spoon. You have to spoon header. Oh, chew. Do not chew gum in class. Oh, food. Food in my basin. Oh, school. Where's your school? Rude. Oh, rude. Don't be rude. Bye bye.